Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Infinity Ops. So today I'm gonna show you how to log out the account of Infinity Ops. So first of all, be sure your Infinity Ops is up to date. So after that you need to click on the player name on the Infinity Ops. So in my case the player name is on top left corner, click on that. Then you need to click on the log the account out, click on that. Then you need to click on yes. So this is how you can easily log out your account. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So I hope you like my video. So bye.